Hello everybody, welcome back again to my channel. The other day I was talking to my friend John, and he told me that he had changed, he had replaced some keyboard with, newer ALPS switches. And then he challenged me because he told me I got a lot of these old style keys, keycaps, that I would like to use in this keyboard. So I have, the old keycaps, but the old keyboard is pretty bad. So this new one is very good, and they feel very good. But a lot of times, a lot of people have these keyboards that have no keys for them, missing keys. So he sent me a bunch of old style keyboards. Old style keycaps. And so he sent me a bunch of old style keys, and he challenged me to make them fit to these kind of keys. But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta look for a little help from your friends. And I remember some time ago, my friend Joe Strorsnyder from Joe's Computer Museum, he told me that he has designed something in the past for doing that. And I was like, can you share that with me? I said, yeah, no problem. He sent me the file, and he actually created an adapter that he hasn't tested that much. And here it is. This is the adapter that he did. And it's amazing. So I took out my printer and I printed out. So let's try this. Let me just remove all these keys and let's see if we can make them fit. Okay, I remove all the keys and I put them in a bag. So I'm gonna put this bag aside, and I got a bag with new keys, old keys, old style keys. And we're gonna try to fit them. Let's do that. Okay, and this is it. This is the adapter. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it like this, put it in, and this should be, let me look at a normal one. I got a computer next to me. You can see it, but it's here. And this is supposed to be here. Let's see if it fits. Look at that. Let's do them all. So I printed a bunch of adapters. Look at them. And I just gotta put them in. Facing down, that's the only issue, that you gotta face down. Meaning this is up. So this is facing down. And let's put in the shift. These are a little bit dirty, but hey, whatever. He just sent them to me. I think he should have clean them up, but hey, doesn't matter. Let's see if this works. I think I'm gonna have to take out these little metal pieces, because they are not used in these old keys. And look, it stayed there. So I could do either put them in here first or put them in the key itself. But I'm just gonna put it in the key itself. I gotta figure out which one is which first, and then gotta put them in its place. So controls here. And of course, again, this is not my idea. This is Joe's idea. I'm not stealing any ideas or anything. He did this. I'm just taking it and implementing it. So let's see if it works. And it looks like it's gonna work, so let's keep doing this. Again, Jonathan, you should have cleaned them up at least a little bit before sending it to me. I'm just saying. We're missing a shift. I think I have a shift. Yeah. I have a shift here, so we got two of them. Oops. Boom. Oh. I messed up. Where's my Y here? Y. P. Well, here we go. seems like he's missing 3 keys plus the caps lock. But again, look. Works perfect. Looks great. Looks like an original one. I'm gonna try to figure out if I can find this for him. But look, it works. And here's the adapter. So, Joe, as always, you're a genius. Thank you very much for your contribution, and you're a master. All right, so hopefully you like this quick video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and see you next time.